Hey, Unchained Worship, this is Frankie. I am Maestro D coming in from PA, coming into a Congreso. What most people don't know is Congreso in English is a congress for a big campsite for youth. And we're right now in the preps for service tonight. Let's walk you through it.
Testing.
Got the X32 right here. And a few pastors, as always.
I'll always be here.
And of course, we're going with the head rush again. My Line 6 Helix and my Josephine guitar, my Gretsch guitar. Here's the head rush. And my Helix. And yeah, I'm going wireless, guys. You know, we're prepping up. You're gonna see a motif.
Testing.
And we got my cousin on the drums. Pastor David on the drums. This is what it looks like, guys.
Testing.
Tune in and tell me what you think of our sound. God bless you. Follow up.